This is the book of Luke, chapter 21, verse 11, and it reads, it says, "And great earthquakes shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence and fearful sights and great signs shall there be from heaven." Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Shem Akakadash. Shalom to the elders for pushing the word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Hakim scattered in the four corners of the globe, pushing the word truthfully and sincerely as well too. And I say shalom to the Hakim out there. And this is a outside walk talk lesson of this from the Jerusalem Post. Published August the 17th, 2023, and it reads. It says a magnitude of a 5.9 earthquake shakes Colombian capital, prompting evacuations. It says a magnitude of a 5.9 earthquake struck the Colombian capital, Bodega, on Thursday, according to the country's geological service, prompting people in offices and restaurants to evacuate. I'm gonna get back into that Luke 21:11. And this is the book of Luke, chapter 21, verse 11, and it reads to the Holy Scriptures, "And great earthquakes shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence, and fearful signs and great signs shall there be from heaven." And this is the book of 2nd Ezra. It's the book of 2nd Ezra, chapter 9. We'll start at verse 2. And this is the book of 2nd Ezra, chapter 9, verse 2, and it reads, it says, "Then thou shalt understand that is at the very same time when the highest will began to visit the world which he made." 2nd Ezra, chapter 9, verse 3 of the apocryphal books of the Holy Scriptures, and it reads, it says, "Then therefore, where there shall be seen earthquakes and uproars shall be from the world." So with that, this was just a quick lesson of this recent earthquake, and this was a magnitude of a 5.9 earthquake struck Colombia capital, prompting evacuations. So with that, hopefully this lesson was edifying. I would like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Shem Akakadash. Shalom to the elders for preaching word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Hakim scattered in the four corners of the globe, preaching word truthfully and sincerely as well too. And until next time, say shalom.